Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about best card to use in doing arbitrage trade in Nigeria. So in my channel now, I take much of my time to find a good quality of information to talk about, so I don't just make any kind of video. Then I promise to give you guys good quality information on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So the first card I will be talking about on this video is Stanbic Visa Gold Card. The reason why I'm talking about this Stanbic Visa Gold Debit Card is it gives you a lot of opportunity, like a lot of chance to spend more than $20. If you notice, every YouTuber they are talking about the opportunity in Nigeria, they always use $20 and daily minimum card on every transaction they want to do. But with this card is different. You can spend more than $20. So I think spending more than $20 in a trade is going to give you a good return on the trade on the platform you want to use the card for. So that's why I've decided to make this kind of video to find good card for you to be able to make trade more than $20 limit. That's going to give you a $20 limit. So this Stanbic Visa Gold Debit Card it give you a lot of benefits, up to 20% and 15% discount from your futures merchant. So, and you're enjoying zero usage fee for cash to withdraw on any bank in Nigeria. Apply easily from SC mobile app and get free delivery, meaning you can apply for this card once you are in Nigeria on this website. Then you on this mobile app, then you will receive this card free nationwide. So this is the main focus on this card. The debit card features support local and figure currency. This is the reason why I chose this card. The Visa Gold Debit Card is available in local and figure currency, so you can use it in both Naira and dollar. So the Visa Gold Naira limit is local spend is 150,000 on ATM and 2 million on POS and web per day. So that means you have this kind of limit to spend a day, both on ATM and on POS and web transaction a day. Maybe you want to buy something online. Then the Visa Gold Vigor currency limit. You can withdraw up to 7,000 on ATM and spend up to 10,000 per day on point of sale, POS or web. This maybe you want to buy something or you want to make this transaction online, the arbitrage opportunity. So you see, you have more than $20 to limit per day to do with this card. Then leakage to savings account and current account. The Visa debit card is linked to your savings or current account. So this is a good card for you to have, and easy shipping, store security online through limit points. You don't need all this. That's just what you need, and you have got the information. Then if you want to get this card, you just have to go to this website. I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to get this website. So I'm going to go to the next video on the second card on my video today is Wema Bank, the alert, the personal card. We call it personal. Like I think there is card for business purpose and there is card for personal. So you using personal, you want to use for personal use. That's what I think. So this card, this card is fun and saving and pay bill from anywhere in the world on alert. This alert is Wema bank app, maybe side app, or some this bank they have various of like app they are using to support their product. So free card delivery. So you don't have to pay money to get this card. Pick one of 3 bank card design and we will deliver yours to you in 15 working days anywhere in Nigeria. It's in Nigeria at no cost. Request instant loan. You don't need all this. You don't need all this. Where is this benefit? Yeah, the benefit I know about this card is they have alert good and some other benefit with your card. You just have to check. I don't know how I missed this card. So you just have to check the other. Yes. You just have to check some other card, debit card. Go with this. Debit card. Yes. So I can't say much information on this card, but I came across a video that talk about this card that is a good card. So that's why I put it on my video. Then I made a research on this. Then I could not find the right article to talk about on this video. So the third card on this video is UBA Bank, the Debit Mastercard. So the reason why I choose this Mastercard is has a lot of benefit for you to enjoy. So he said debit Mastercard, spend anywhere your dream take you and shop online as you want from your Nigeria account. Debit card is shipped based on the PIN and payment card linked to a current or savings account. The debit card is accepted for payment and cash withdrawal at service location over the world. Meaning over the world you can make a purchase of something like dollar, then they are going to deduct the Naira in your account. So that's basically the bank rate in Naira. Then you want to buy something like €100, $100. So they are going to charge it at the lower rate of the bank in Nigeria. Meanwhile, you can sell the dollar worth of anything you buy online, because you are not going to buy at physical goods online. So it's like you use the service for buying USDT, then you are going to sell this on the black market over 800 now. So, and these are the features available on the Naira currency or savings, transfer instantly from your card to any bank in Nigeria, valid for 3 years, personal identification. That's what you need to bring for you to be able to use this card and the requirements. So that's how the card I've chosen to be on this video and is a good card. Then the fourth and the last card on my video today is First Bank. First Bank is the best among best of all these card I've talked about earlier, because the reason why I said this is you have to pay for this card. What I mean about you have to pay for this card is that you have to pay annual fee for you to get this card. The more you pay, the more you have more leverage on how to spend this money on this card, like the limit of what you can do with this card, not only with arbitrage opportunity, but with some other use also. So I'm just going to focus on this Visa Gold. This comparison with the Visa Infinity on their product and this feature. So it's just a comparison, and they have this Naira credit card also. Um, is it secure by chips and pin and technology? Yes, definitely. You want to use the card that is secure and can be used for payment on local website and POS. The theory of this is yes. Remember, our focus on this card is Visa Gold, so can be used for payment on international website or POS. This is our focus. Then he said yes. So we can use this card on local and international website and POS. So saying this, the meaning of this statement is like we can buy USDT, we can use it to purchase USDT products like USDT service and other foreign currency transaction. So doing this, you'll be able to use this card to buy something online. Then they are going to deduct your Naira from your account at the bank rate. Then you can definitely sell this card, this transaction you made on maybe for arbitrage opportunity purpose. Then you sell this dollar or this figure and foreign currency you get on this transaction on black market for more profit. So the if you remember, I said that you have to pay money, you have to pay for this service. So getting a new card costs you $3, and the Naira credit card costs you 1,000. So the annual maintenance is $20. The Nigerian credit card is 600 to 50 Naira monthly maintenance. So this is the daily transaction limits. This is the best part I want to talk about on this card. If you remember, I said earlier on some YouTuber video, they only use $20 daily limit, and with this card you can withdraw from ATM abroad 1,000 daily limit, and the Infinity card you can withdraw 1,000 daily limit. But with the Naira credit card, you can only withdraw $300. So meanwhile, the POS in Nigeria, you can make a transaction worth of 10,000, and this Infinity Visa card, you can make transaction worth of $10,000. But in Naira credit card, you can just make 1 million transaction worth of transaction. The POS 10,025. Then this is the abroad website, web abroad. So this is the web abroad. You can use this card to make an arbitrage opportunity. So you can make a limit trade of $5,000. So this is the reason why I choose this card for the best card to use for arbitrage opportunity in Nigeria. So if you want me to talk about some other platform you can use this card on, and how to use them and how to request for this card, you can let me know in the comment section. Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Let me know what do you think about the video and what you want me to talk about on this channel on my next video. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel.